This is the bed that we're going to harvest today. It's the second, well, let's say the third, because the compost bin gave us a little bit of sweet potatoes. Let's see what we can get. Okay, look at this. They're outside of the ground. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. This is actually the overflow from the other bed that we already harvested. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. Not bad to be the overflow for the other one. I'm gonna keep eating that Swiss chard until there's no more. I still have this one. This is the white flesh that I grew from a piece of sweet potato from the store, from the organic from the store. So yeah, I did some digging today and got some small ones. I just wanted to be sure that there was something in there. And here they are. Those are the two that I digged this morning. I just wanted to be sure that there was something inside of that bed. Well, that will be the next one. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.